Welcome to Make Space for Bass, a revolutionary Ableton Live mixdown course for electronic music producers. In Make Space for Bass, you get a simple process for mixing that will make your tracks drop deep, heavy bass without the frustration of wondering what to do. You'll learn real audio engineering techniques for measuring and adjusting every sound in your track to end up with a balanced stereo mix that drops serious bass and still has enough headroom for mastering so you can publish it and play it out at your gigs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set the levels of your kick and sub to make bass-heavy bangers every time. Sign up now or keep watching to hear about these revolutionary, hands-on, session lesson tutorials where you learn by doing activities inside Live. Session lessons. Here's how they work. You start by downloading a Live pack that expands to a full Ableton project containing music and a tutorial. Inside, you get audio instructions to hear, automated examples to watch, and hands-on activities to do where you learn by making a real multi-track mix. The course has 4 of these session lesson projects that lead you through the mix process in stages to give you a mix recipe you can use in your own music immediately, whether you're mixing your first couple of tracks or going through a massive stack of sketches in your music folder. In the first project, we set the input levels and clean up every sound in the mix using basic EQ, filters, compressors, and limiters with easy-to-use audio effect racks that you can download and keep for your own projects to easily apply what you're learning right away. In Project 2, you make a simple stereo mix where all the channels go directly to the master. This also forms a great mix template you can use in your own music anytime you want. In Project 3, you learn how to make submixes using group tracks to organize your instruments and drums. And then in the final project, you make a more complicated mix using advanced routing with bus groups and return effects going to the master channel. After this course, you will know how to break down large projects into simple, manageable pieces no matter how many channels are in the session, which means you get the skills to mix creatively instead of blindly copying someone else's settings that you saw on YouTube. Make Space for Bass gives you a straightforward mixdown process that will change your tracks from amateur disasters to sparkling professional stereo mixes without the beginner mistakes like redlining the master channel, running out of headroom, and ending up with a flat, lifeless track that sounds overcompressed and boring. Change your next mix from a smoking dumpster fire into a tight low-end banger that sounds so good you can't wait to play it out for people. Make Space for Bass gives you the mix recipe you need to make your track sound pro. Sign up now and start making the mixes you dream of. We'll see you inside.